Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a real story of how I built my shop using my salary and also my side hustle. So when I started, I didn't have a lot of money, but there was only a smart decision that I made, and this decision helped me to start and also to finish. So what I did every time I got my salary, I would save a certain percentage that went into buying blocks and also building materials. Apart from that, whenever I attended a workshop, I would get that money and also buy some blocks and also building materials. So this is how I managed to buy the materials. And also, once I had enough, I also started now constructing. So we started the foundation. After the foundation, also, we came to the walls. And then finally, something amazing, which I call or which I consider angels who came to help me to finish up with this project. So a tenant approached me and he said, "Can I finish this shop for you? And then I'm going to rent it out from you. In return, you are going to be getting the rentals and then convert them into payment for the expenses of constructing this house." Yes, was indeed something that I was waiting for somebody to come and help me. So I agreed, and he went ahead. He started from where I stopped. He started the flooring, and then came to the plastering, the painting, and then fixed the doors and the windows. And as I speak right now, the building is being occupied by this very tenant that I'm referring to right now, or the one that I'm talking about. He has now started going into the business that he's intending to do in that business, in that building. So this is indeed the proof that you don't need millions of kwacha to start your building. All you need is just consistency and also executing your programs or your whatever you have planned. Because if you don't have that consistency, there is no way that you are going to achieve your building project, because you need to be consistent. With me, every month I made sure that I was consistent by buying building materials and also make sure that I don't miss. So you need to be consistent in life. The other thing that is very important is that what you need to do in life is just to go ahead with what you have planned, and there are some opportunities that will come your way. I didn't know that there was someone who was going to come and help me to complete this building. But because I took the step of doing, executing what I planned, then this miracle came. Because as I speak right now, it is complete. So start. And once you start with all the programs that you have, opportunities will come your way. There are some people who will come. There are some people that are sharing your vision. They will come and help you to finish. They will help you to come and accomplish your vision. It's very, very important. So it's very important that we should consider these things. So thank you very much. In case you're interested in real life stories like this, stories which are transforming lives, stories that are helping us as entrepreneurs to achieve our goals, can you subscribe to my channel? Subscribe to this channel in order for you to get these stories like this. Or if you want to go deeper into how I made it, get my ebook, and this ebook is going to help you. The ebook is entitled How to Overcome Poverty Using a Smartphone, Salary, and Chickens. This is a wonderful resource that is going to help you because I have documented everything of how I managed to overcome poverty using my smartphone, salary, and chickens. So WhatsApp me on 095 0068087, 095 0068087, and then I'll send you the details on how you can buy this copy. It's a very important copy that is going to help you. It's an ebook. It will help you to escape poverty using your smartphone.